So I'm just going to share the live stream with you as well.
Hey, we got to all clear out 30 meters from the drone sites. If we can all move down this way towards the other side of the car.
Hi, my name is Lee Kelson. I'm the Program Director of Firetech Connect. Firetech Connect was established by Noosa Shire Council through the Peregian Digital Hub after the bushfires of 2019-2020. Chris Bowden, who's the Director of the Digital Hub, and myself looked at what happened during those fires, and from a technologist perspective, we thought, how can we contribute to this to help drive the adoption? So we established Firetech Connect, and we initially got a small amount of money from Advance Queensland to kick off the first ever Firetech event back in early 2020. And then subsequent to that, we've now received over $4 million in funding from mainly through the disaster ready funding to build out the program further, establish a Firetech lab here in Noosa, which is where we are right now. And part of that is the command centre where we operate a lot of our technological trials.
They're going to drop it out in the open field.
Okay. FATM 2.1 is the continuation of the FATM trials that we established 3 or 4 years ago. And really FATM was about how do we integrate crewed and uncrewed aircraft, and how do we start using drones and getting more utility out of the drones. And so when we first started the fire air traffic, it was really a drone in the air and a helicopter in the air separated by 1,000 feet, which is pretty standard, and there was nothing groundbreaking about that. But as we move forward, we added complexity to that. We've now been developing further common operating procedures. And at the end of the day, the only way that we can test out this technology is to put it into as close to real world environment as we can. The collaboration with all of the partners like Tullis, Queensland Fire Department, the Rural Fire Service, Noosa Shire Council obviously, and all of their ground crews, Connor Wilson, our flight director, and of course the Fireside guys, all collaborating and working on this event today, where we get to test technologies and see if they work. And that's the only way that we can really ever drive the technologies further and get it into the hands, as I said, the adoption, and get it into the hands of people that need it. So today, from FATM 2.1's perspective, we've had some weather challenges, we've had some delay challenges, but today we've got it away. And I think you can see from the collaboration and the amount of people that have contributed and made this such a great success that it is today.